Knowledge World.
Do animals: lion, tiger, monkey, zebra, gorilla, crocodile, elephant, panda, giraffe, snake, wolf, bear, gazelle, kangaroo. Do animals food? Some animals eat grass, and some animals eat meat. Lion eat meat. Tiger eat meat. Crocodile eats meat. Snake eats meat. Monkey eats grass. Zebra eats grass. Gazelle eats grass. Gorilla eats grass. Elephant eats grass. Giraffe eats leaves. Thank you for watching my video.